Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your feed in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then we tap on Home Feed Tuner. And here we have pins, interests, boards, and following. And here among the interests that we have, we can scroll down. At the top we will find the interests that we already added, and then below we will find interests that we can add. So we can add health, for example, or music. We can add some supercars, martial arts, astronomy. Yeah, we can add these interests and customize thus our experience. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.